Dancehall entertainer Dexta Daps arrested.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Popular dancehall artiste Dexta Daps, correct name Louis Anthony Grandison, has been arrested. The details surrounding his arrest are a bit sketchy at this time, but a video of the singer's arrest surfaced on social media on Wednesday afternoon, the 8th of April. The 1-minute long video shows a group of residents following behind cops as they lead him to a waiting service vehicle. The video appears to have been shot in the St. Andrew community of Seaview Gardens. The entertainer is being held at the Hunts Bay police station, where he was brought for questioning. When contacted, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, through its head of corporate communication, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, said, "We are confirming that the police have taken Dexta Daps into custody. He and some others were brought in for questioning in relation to some gang-related activities in South St. Andrew. The investigations are continuing," she added. According to reports, Dexta Daps have since retained the legal services of attorney-at-law Peter Champagnie. "I am unable to say at this point the circumstances of his detention, but will be able to do so in a fulsome way tomorrow morning," said Champagnie. Meanwhile, Dexta Daps is denying any wrongdoing.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.